What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug Out. I'm back with another video. This one is just wanted to show you guys just a cool little super easy mod that you can do for your rounds. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see that, but these rounds are two-tone. Copper on top and then the brass on the bottom. So basically, maybe next to one. So basically, super easy. I mean, it changes the look. I mean, it looks so much cooler. I mean, look at that. It just looks, I don't know, just looks a little more realistic. So really all I did was I just took some masking tape and I took the round and I taped it up to that line. Took some of this Rust-Oleum bright coat copper spray paint. After I masked it off, I kind of poked one of these through the tape where I masked it, and then just sprayed the little tips of them and let them dry. The key is you gotta have the patience to let them dry for at the least 24 hours, at the least. Otherwise that paint's just gonna rub right off. So also, I mean, like, you know, I guess you can bake them too, bake that paint on there, but you know, let it dry for at least 24 hours at the least. If anything, you know, it's better that the longer you let it dry, the more it's gonna set and stay. You could spray primer. I think I sprayed primer on these, but I don't think you have to, but it's better. So you can spray some primer on them. You can do the half scale rounds also, make them look more realistic. But yeah, so just a quick and simple little mod for your goat guns and your half scale guns, miniature guns. So just to make them look a little more realistic. Now they do sell two-tone rounds out there, which are, you know, I'm willing to bet that copper on there is probably much better quality, but I mean, you know, if you can't afford to spend like $3 per round or $1.50, I don't know, either way, you can't buy them by the, well, I haven't seen them by the set yet, except for on CRW, but they weren't on there that long. But anyhow, you know, just buy a can of spray paint for like $3 at Walmart and some masking tape and do it up yourself, and you can spray all of your rounds. So anyways, quick little mod. If you like my video, hit that like button. You know, if you have any questions or anything, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Desert Bug Out, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.